chat. It's a taller chat for true? Really? So how fast one can wanna make time, like record time? No man. Come, let me do something. Class today and you just don't look yourself. What's wrong with you?
No, I'm okay. I was just not feeling myself.
Don't you know so when time anything at all bother you? You have me or Tony and can talk, don't it?
Yeah, I know, but just not feel like talking about it.
Anis.
Yeah, sure.
Anis, what happened to you?
I'm okay.
Don't tell me no lie. Energy no required. What happened to you?
To tell her the honest truth, just not feel so well.
You don't look sick to me. Look like you're worried about something.
Well, for a week now, when we get taken out of the container, it just I bring back some things from my head.
Oh, I understand. You have any idea where I bring back them memory there?
Well, two things. One, every time I see a container, I just get afraid. Two, the politician man when baby mother and daughter get take away, which it could have been me.
I understand. But one thing I can tell you though, if you go through them something there, you have to talk to somebody. You can't have that inside there, kid. Me there and Bubbles there. You can't talk to the two of them.
Alright. I think I can do that next time.
Don't think, just do it. I remember said dancing can help you with them something there. By the way, me used to super boil in there. Want to go grab one?
So, you mad? Grab one? Look over, grab 5.
You want 2 cup of soup?
No, make that 4. 2 each.
Yeah, that can work.
Yeah.
You have the big cup. I'm going to take 2 of this. Pull it up. One, the big one. That makes sense? We'll have to take 2 small cups. Big one work. Thank you. Can I get one more?
Yes, I'm a general.
Yeah, so the idea is when this goes on both bar, we need a temporary.
It's very sad. Where did I win?
Wagwan King.
They are mad.
I just finish up at the center, me and Tony, and we said, boy, me want pass through because, you know, the rest of the construction have gone well, but
What I say? I love it so far.
Thank you, man.
Can't wait for it finish.
Be that. But anyway, go back and drink something at the bar, man. Refresh yourself for my game. Both of you, yeah?
As we were saying,
So King, I have a question for us. So, the bar, it's gonna stay out there, sir?
Well, as me did tell your friend Savage, you know, the bar are gonna really move yourself temporary and you know, till we fix up the fence and stuff.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah man, I like it. It sounds good, nice plan.
By the way, you know what I say? Now get on the something more. Anything as usual? When you want, Miss Michelle?
You know me already, Malta.
Alright, no problem.